Farmer Mike, live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives. Right behind me, there's some construction on the street, but right behind me, where improvisational jazz was born to the world. Bebop. Greats like John Buck O'Neill from the Negro Leagues Baseball Museum and the pioneer with the Monarchs walked this very street, as well as Miles Davis, big-time jazz artists and celebrities, historic Vine Jazz District. And here we are at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I'm outside. Real quick, I want to hop on and give you a masterclass in water harvesting, sustainable off-grid solutions. And here we are at the Hickman greenhouse, and you can see what we've done. We have about 100 feet of gutters on this greenhouse, capturing rainwater. And look at the beautiful Jamaican callaloo. An incredible plant, super nutritious plant, and I believe it's on almost every cuisine in Jamaica and the Caribbean, right there. And you can tell it's loaded with nutrients because the insects love it. They're no fools, they know. But that's another video. Real quick, let me take you inside. Don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. Over 340 videos, all dedicated to true urban farming. So why would we harvest water? Well, one, we want to look at sustainable systems. We want to look at off-grid systems. We want to capture water to harvest our plants, to put in our body that doesn't contain chemicals, doesn't contain chlorine, chloramine, and things like that that are coated, that are actually put in the water to prevent the bacteria that's built up in the pipes and things like that. And so there is a place to have, to be connected to the grid. And so this would be something that you would do probably in addition to. Of course, you would want your city water. You'd use that for things like sanitation purposes and whatnot. But here we have a simple system. And as you can hear right there, the raindrops, and it's raining right now, are falling, and they're gliding down the side of the greenhouse. They're going into the gutter, have an overflow out here. And let's go ahead inside. And this is actually going to be better for you, better for your plants. A great system here. And I'm going to show you this pipe coming in. A new crop coming in here in just a few days. And so we're coming in from the outside, and we're falling down here. And as you can see, huge tank providing thermal mass inside the greenhouse, but also free water. And if we come here, oh, look at the flow! Look at the flow! Oh, just incredible. Let me run up here. So a lot of thought in the design. Wanted to use gravity, and we can move this water without any electricity. Let me go ahead and show you this other tank. Come down here. And this one, I'll turn it on. And this one, I have a little nozzle. Oh yes. Oh, just amazing. So, again, what's the purpose? Absolutely free. And so, when you talk about free, you can't beat that. These are going to add some thermal mass in here. And also, it is going to be a better water for the plants. Let me come down here real quick. And I'll show you again, free water, drop by drop by drop. And the more it rains, the more water we get. And we will actually, we can actually put that water into the soil. And if we need to, we can actually, let me show you here, we can hook in this submersible pump. This submersible pump is a DC solar pump, and it can be powered by solar panel. Very cool, which means we can take the water from here and we can take it a block down right there to that greenhouse and do it all via gravity. I'll show you again. We can pump it, or we can do it through gravity. And so a lot of design should go into your landscape. and then also look for sustainable practices. Look at the force of that. And because the elevation is higher up here than it is down here, we could actually run both those tanks a block away with gravity. Free water can't be free. We can pump it further if we wanted to, or if we wanted to pump it higher into the landscape, we could do that as well. I hope this inspires you. Don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, Ophelia's Bovine Farm on YouTube. You can actually see, a little over a year ago, see the video and when we built this particular greenhouse, Hickman greenhouse. Watch the video, check out the backstory, and actually it starts with me right over here across the street and some jazz music, and we are actually highlighting where we're at, 24th and Vine, and we talk about the building of this particular greenhouse, and so that's what we've done. So looking for ways to innovate, looking for ways to be sustainable, looking for ways to be self-sufficient, teaching you how to survive, how to thrive, and how to stay out of the hive. And that's a quick masterclass on harvesting rainwater. We'll do another one on harvesting street water runoff, and how you can use that in your landscape as well. But that's another video.